Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Dad's Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious oven lamb ribs. So in my mortar here, I added some yellow mustard seeds, some fresh parsley, some garlic, some aniseed, some Scotch bonnet, some salt, some spring onion, some ginger. I'm adding some green chilies as well, and we're going to grind everything together. Now our paste is ready and we are going to transfer it into a bowl, and now I'm adding some Worcestershire sauce, some honey, and if you missed something out, I'm going to list all the ingredients down below so you can check it out. And I added some all-purpose seasonings, tomato paste, grated onion, some thyme, paprika, turmeric, and some chili powder. And I'm adding a teaspoon of sugar. You can choose to use brown sugar as well. And I'm adding some olive oil, and we're going to mix everything together for our marinade. So here I have my lovely lamb ribs, which has been washed with some fresh lemon, and I had some deep cuts at the back to make sure the marinade infused into our ribs. So here I'm adding some lemon juice as well, and I'm going to add half of our marinade to our ribs. And make sure you coat every ribs with your marinade because this marinade is so tasty and flavorful. So you're going to cover everything and leave it to marinate for about 30 to 1 hour. And you can do this a day before you use your ribs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Thank you. So now our lamb ribs has been marinating for an hour now, and our marinade has infused into our ribs, and I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe. And at this stage, make sure your oven is preheated, and mine is preheated on 200 degrees, which is gas mark 6, and we are going to put in our oven to cook for about an hour. So now our lamb ribs is out of the oven and it's been cooking for an hour now, and it's all looking delicious already. So we're just going to turn it over and add more marinade to it. And we're going to cover it with our foil and cook it for extra 30 minutes. Covering it with our foil keeps the moist in our lamb and make it more juicy and tender. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This lamb ribs is a must try. Imagine having this lamb rib with your family and friends during this summer. Please don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. And now our lamb ribs has been cooking for an extra 30 minutes and is ready and juicy. And please don't forget to comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.